Hi everyone, and welcome to our channel. I'm Julia from Smartersoft. Today we are talking about why software project management matters for successful development. Picture a project kickoff. The whole team gathered around a table with laptops and whiteboards, collaborating on the plan. That's often how we start at Smartersoft, with everyone aligned from the day one. Having a clear roadmap and set of priorities means we all know what success looks like. Now let's break it down into what project managers do and what can go wrong without this kind of discipline. Let's talk about what project managers actually do beyond organizing calendars. At Smartersoft, project managers are responsible for setting up the working process from day one. They define how communication happens, how often we meet, what gets delivered and when, demo days and deadlines. They prepare clear plans for team involvement and make sure both sides agree on how new requirements will be handled. They track progress sprint by sprint, compare budget versus actual costs, and monitor timelines so nothing silently slips. If anything changes, like new requirements or unexpected blockers, the project manager quickly analyzes the impact and assesses risks for the project. They coordinate with the right people to adjust the plan without slowing down the team. They also send regular structured progress reports so you know exactly where the project stands. In short, if software development is a road trip, the project manager keeps the car fueled, the map updated, and everyone awake at the wheel. Let's talk about the pitfalls project managers help to avoid. Without proper management, it's like trying to build a house without a blueprint. When teams skip planning on a board, small changes start creeping in. We call it scope creep. And soon you've added features and work that nobody budgeted for. In fact, studies show uncontrolled changes in requirements can increase project costs by up to 50%. Another classic problem is budget overruns. Roughly 70% of software projects exceed their original budgets, often leaving teams scrambling for extra funding or cutting non-essential features to stay afloat. One more PM responsibility is avoiding missed deadlines. Effective project managers set realistic timelines and regular check-ins, catching delays early so the finish line isn't always one day away. Finally, there is a silent project killer that can cost companies. It's miscommunication. When team members assume instead of clarify, updates get lost in inboxes, and no one's sure who's doing what. A solid PM process sets clear update rhythms and roles, so messages don't get lost in endless email chains. For the project, that means no more "I thought you handled it" fiascos. Here's a quick example of PM saving a project. Imagine an e-commerce company's new app is months behind schedule and widely over budget. Everyone's panicking as sales targets are at risk. A skilled project manager steps in, trims the scope to focus on core features, resets the timeline with realistic milestones, and institutes clear weekly check-ins. Thanks to this new focus, the team turns things around and the app launches successfully on time. So to sum up, software project management is a strategic investment, not just extra paperwork. It aligns teams on common goals, controls scope, and keeps budgets and schedules in check. Think of it like insurance or a GPS for your projects. You might not notice it when things are running smoothly, but it saves the day when unexpected challenges arise. With good project management, you get faster delivery, fewer surprises, and a much stronger return on investment. Thank you for watching. I'm Julia from Smartersoft. Here's to your next successful project.